HC 259, what is it and when does it come into effect? So the Home Office have made a new statement of changes called the HC 259, and a lot of the changes come into effect on the 3rd of August 2026. Of those changes, we're seeing that graduate visa holders are now able to add their dependents onto their visas only if that child was born in the UK. Now, historically, no new applicants were able to be added onto a graduate visa unless they were previously on the existing student visa. So this is a welcome change that's been introduced by the Home Office for the gap for children who are unable to join their parents on their graduate visas. This change comes into effect on the 3rd of August 2026. Secondly, the Home Office have updated some of the family rules for those children who are joining relatives in the UK. So this now brings several different parts of the immigration rules together. Thirdly, and an important change for the 14-day overstaying rule. So what the 14-day overstay rule is that if your visa has expired, but within 14 days you're able to submit an application to the Home Office and explain why it wasn't submitted in time, there was a level of exceptional circumstance that you had to prove in order to clarify why you were unable to do so before your visa expired. And what it did mean was that a lot of people ran into issues with immigration bail because their leave would have been expired and they were put onto immigration bail as a result. And now the HC 259 has fixed that inconsistency. So from the 3rd of August, having overstayed in that 14-day period and being on immigration bail won't automatically mean that an application will fail to be considered under several immigration routes. So there is some welcome news in that as well. So although these aren't the kind of topics that make headlines, they are still important changes. And if you have any questions related to immigration, then do feel free to get in touch.